Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a slick 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true 138 Super Sport car, guys, and it is also a matching numbers 396. Nice car. I actually got a buddy, bought this car a few years ago from a buddy of mine out of North Carolina. Sold it, and I just bought it back here from a local gentleman that I had sold it to. Good car. Like I say, just 2-3 years ago, car underwent a complete frame-off restoration. Good car. Factory Bolero red. This is your original color combination. Of course, it's got the black vinyl top, black interior. And a good looking car, man. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the factory 15-inch rally wheels with the flat caps. And a good car, man. Again, real 138 Super Sport car, matching numbers car. There's a few little blemishes I can kind of nitpick on it. There's a couple little spots I noticed in the hood and then on the deck lid. There's a couple little marks there on the bumper. But good car. I can't even see. Yeah, there's a little blemish there on the hood. Thought there was a couple little ones right in here, but pretty doggone nice, man. Dash is nice in there. It's got the dual seam vinyl top. It's in great shape. Saw a couple little marks, yeah, little wheel mark there, and then there was a couple little blemishes in your paint there. Again, nothing hideous. You're not going to repaint the car or anything, but I try to point out anything that I see or I can notice in a car, guys. That's why I like to shoot all these videos myself. I really and truly believe these cars are nothing but opinions. So I try to give you my opinion on the car as to why I bought the car. The car's nice and straight down the sides, good rubber. I like the flat caps, man. I'm not a top hat fan, so I like the flat caps on them. Let me show you. This car's nice underneath. I got some good pictures of the bottom for you. Good looking set of rallies. It's got that black pinstripe on it. It is tape. If you don't like it, it does come off. Again, matching numbers 396, stock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. It's got the correct air cleaner and chrome valve covers, power steering, power brakes. It's got the 400 turbohydramatic transmission in it. You can see it's detailed up nice, all the GM hoses and clamps. It's got the right power steering and reservoir in there. Yeah, again, factory red car. That's a real plus. Look how nice this car is. Pretty car. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're watching that site. A few little blemishes here in that A-pillar, chrome mirrors, new door handles. And make sure you're watching that website, man. I am buying like crazy. You know, it's just missing a little, there's supposed to be a little GM sticker there, so I think it's come off. Remind me of that. I probably have one of those actually in the back. New carpet, new sill plates. Again, bucket seats, console, correct SS steering wheel in it. Looks like it's got all the correct Fisher body seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. Factory dash 17,693. I'm sure that's 117. It's actually got the speed sensor in there too, which is cool. Factory AM FM radio. But like I say, bunch of new stuff coming. I'll try to make sure we kind of get it updated and get everything posted. This car's got a Flowmaster FlowX dual exhaust system in it. I haven't seen that. Sounds good too. 12 bolt 331 limited slip rear end. All spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Yeah, I'm trying to buy everything nice that I can get my hands on right now, guys. I'll try to stock up. It's been impossible. You guys just keep buying them as fast as I can get them in here. It's a good problem to have. I'm not complaining. Oh, the little clip has come out there. We'll get that put back in there. There's a little GM sticker too. I think I've got one of those in the back there. Car's clean, man. Seats are nice. Buckets are nice. Dash is nice and clean. Gauges are clean. That steering wheel's in nice shape. A little bit on that side. I don't know, there's something squeaking. Nah, it almost sounds like a little vacuum. There it goes. Yeah, I wonder if we got a little vacuum leak on it. You can hear it a little bit. We'll check that. Or something's just. I'm sure I got that shut. Yep, sure. Fuel gauge works. The car's got good sound to it. Nice little lobe to it. Car sounds good. AM FM does work, lower motor. Hear it? I don't know if that's coming on, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Great way to keep in touch with us. Hold on a second, Jordy. I think that quieted right down. It must have just been a little vacuum leak. Make sure you keep track us on our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. Well, that's a good looking car there, man. guys.